All right, so if we're doing this one, the first thing we need to check for is to see if these are the same. Are they? They are, right? There's nothing there. On this previous one, they weren't the same, right? It was 2 and 3. So when they're not the same, we have to change them to the same. When they already are the same, we can go ahead and combine them, okay? So with this 5, we're just going to bring it down. And then with these, we can go ahead and combine it into one radical. So we have 7 times 8, which is 56. And then over x times y, okay? Now this can be broken into 5 square roots of 56 over the square root of x, y, right? How can we simplify the square root of 56? We're taking them out in groups of 2, right? Let's look at it on a little T-chart. What times what will give us 56? Oh, we already did it, right? 8 and 7. This 8 can break into 4 and 2. We already know the square root of 4, right? So you could either break that into 2 and 2, or you could just keep it a 4. Does that make sense? So this is the same thing as 4 times 2 times 7 over the square root of x, y. Are we following? Okay, now, so the square root of 4 is going to be 2. So we pull that out. So instead of 5 out here, it's going to be 10, right? It's going to be 5 times 2. So that's going to be 10. And then on the inside, we're left with that 2 and 7, which is really what? 14. So we have 14. And we still have the square root on the bottom. Now, we need to, for the last step, all you want to do is combine those back. So this is going to be 10, and then we'll have the root of 14xy.